Hello everyone, this is Anfari here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the back plate on an ERS 1000 to be able to access the USB port. So just all you need to do is remove this part, the tail and the butt shell, which I will show you here. So first thing you have to do is remove the tail, which just slides off like this. And then once you have the tail removed, you must remove the tail ornament, which you can do by pulling up from where the slam cam is, and it should just be able to slide it up with your fingernail, and it comes off like that. And then to actually remove the plate, there is one screw right here that you will have to unscrew from the body with a Phillips screwdriver. Put that somewhere where you won't lose it. And then once you have that removed, this plate should just lift off. Since you have to give a little bit of a wiggle to be able to do that, but just like that, lifts off. And now you're able to access the USB port, which is right here. So there you go. Anyone needing to access the USB port for trying to learn how these guys work and reverse engineer them, there you go.